Hare Krishna. The southern portion of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu describes how a devotee relishes Rasa. Rasa means transcendental mellow. There are 5 kinds of Rasa or transcendental mellows described in the southern division of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. The first one is Vibhava. It means causes of ecstasy. The second is Anubhava, which means subsequent ecstasy. Then the third is Satviki Bhava, which means constitutional or existential ecstasy. The fourth is Vyabhichari Bhava, which means aggressive ecstasy. And then at the end, the fifth rasa is Sthai Bhava. Sthai Bhava means Rati or continuous ecstasy. The southern division has 5 waves. The first wave deals with Vibhava, second wave deals with Anubhava, third with Satviki Bhava, fourth wave deals with Vyabhichari Bhava, and the fifth wave deals with Sthai Bhava. This is very interesting. Those who have completed the eastern division of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu must go through this southern division to deepen their understanding of the science of devotional service and also the nectar of ecstasy, which can be experienced through devotional service. Hare Krishna.